What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. A great way to protect your assets is to transfer your assets into a trust. Today, I'm going to show you how to put your car into a living trust. Putting your car into a living trust can be a great way to protect your assets and ensure that they are passed on to your beneficiaries in the way that you want. A living trust is a legal document that allows you to transfer ownership of your assets, including your car, to a trustee who will manage them for the benefit of your beneficiaries. In this article, we will discuss the steps you need to take to put your car into a living trust. Step 1. Create a living trust. The first step in putting your car into a living trust is to create the trust itself. This can be done by working with an attorney or using online legal document preparation services. When creating a living trust, you will need to choose a trustee, who will manage the trust and its assets, and beneficiaries, who will receive the assets upon your death or incapacity. Step 2. Transfer ownership of your car. Once you have created a living trust, the next step is to transfer ownership of your car to the trust. This can be done by transferring the title of the car to the trust. You will need to visit your local Department of Motor Vehicles, DMV, to complete the title transfer process. You will need to bring the title of the car, the trust document, and any other required documents to the DMV. Step 3. Update insurance and registration. After transferring ownership of your car to the trust, you will need to update your insurance and registration to reflect the change. You will need to notify your insurance company of the change in ownership and update your policy to reflect the trust as the new owner of the car. You will also need to update your registration with the DMV. Step 4. Update your will. Finally, you should update your will to reflect the transfer of your car to the trust. This will ensure that your beneficiaries will receive the car according to the terms of the trust, rather than the terms of your will. Putting your car into a living trust can be a great way to protect your assets and ensure that they are passed on to your beneficiaries in the way that you want. By following these steps, you can transfer ownership of your car to a living trust, update your insurance and registration, and update your will to reflect the transfer. It's important to note that you should consult with an attorney or financial advisor before setting up a living trust, as the laws and regulations vary depending on the jurisdiction and the complexity of the situation. It's also important to regularly review and update the trust as circumstances change. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.